The amazing features about the Britestream LED pool lights, firstly is the harnessing of the new and exciting LED technology. Traditionally, old lights were halogen lights and they were using up to 100 watts of electricity. Now with the use of LED technology, we're getting down to about 12 watts of consumption of electricity. Traditionally, pool lights have had little hot spots in them and you were not getting the absolute diffusion of light you needed across the pool. With our new diffuser, you can see that the light isn't coming from one central source. It is spread out across the entire surface of the light. The entire surface glows, thus we're getting greater lumens and spread throughout the swimming pool. So the benefits of using Britestream LED lights as opposed to traditional lights is a much lower power supply required. We're now down to about 15 watts of energy per light, where previously in the past we were looking at up to 100 watts of electricity per light. What that means for your swimming pool is we're saving energy, which means we're saving costs for you for running your swimming pool. Lights traditionally for swimming pools have always been white or blue. Now with LED technology, where you're getting a full range of multicoloured lights. This gives you to change your pool's look to suit your mood or perhaps your party. We can have single colours, you can have multicolours, you can have them flashing, you can have a slow transition between the colours. It's all up to you. The only thing that's stopping you is your imagination. The backyard swimming pool is now not so much a swimming pool as it is also a water feature. Multicoloured lights are really a great way to bring your backyard to life. At the end of the day, using Britestream lights is a way of making sure that your pool doesn't only look beautiful during the day, but also looks beautiful at night.